Hello everybody, my name is Aniket Kakade, and in this video I'll be telling you about some details about the InSpace contest quiz. So before starting this video, I would like to say thank you to all the students who participate in the quiz. I'm feeling so much happy that we have got registrations from all over the India, from Chandigarh, from Mumbai, from Pune, from Chennai, from Tamil Nadu, from Lonavala, from Kolhapur. And looking at this response, we get to know about that there are many students those who have interest in the field of astronomy and space. Basically, our aim to conduct this contest was to create the awareness about the astronomy and the space and innovations among the students, because the student does not get the platform to explore such things in which they have interest. So this contest will be a platform for the students and they can explore in this field. So let us know of some details about the InSpace contest quiz. The first one is that how the winners will be selected, as this is a quiz and this quiz will be conducted on 10th June. We will be having 15 minutes to solve the quiz and to submit it. The students, those who got maximum marks, will be selected. Now, but the question arises that what happens if the two students got the same marks? Now in this case, as I have told that this quiz of 15 minutes, you have to submit it in 15 minutes. Now the student, those who submit the quiz earlier than the other student, will be selected. Now we will be declaring the results on our YouTube channel. On the 16th June, we will be streamed live on the YouTube and the results will be declared. Now we will be sending you the link of the quiz and the YouTube live stream via email and through the WhatsApp groups which we have created. Now this quiz is divided into two groups. First one is junior and second one is the seniors. In the junior there is 5th, 6th and 7th class, and the senior there is 8th, 9th and 10th. So for the juniors there will be separate question papers in English and Marathi language, and similar for the seniors also. There will be a separate question paper for the seniors in English and Marathi language. Now the date and the timing of the contest. Now this quiz will be conducted on 10th June on 11 AM and you will have 15 minutes to solve this quiz. So from 11 AM to 11:15 AM you have to solve the quiz, which will have 20 questions, and you have to solve that 20 questions and have to submit it in 15 minutes. Now student will have the questions that how should we prepare for this contest. Now on our YouTube channel we have published videos about some planet facts and astronomical facts, but you can search about astronomical facts and space facts on the internet for the preparation purpose. All the students who have participated will get a participation certificate and the top 10 winners will get the prizes. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood all the details about the InSpace contest quiz. So best of luck and prepare well. The prizes are waiting for you. Thank you.